the 2010 Nissan Maxima. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is still under 75,000 miles. Top features include a split folding rear seat, power front seats, fully automatic headlights, and cruise control. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Come down today and see this vehicle for yourself. Call now to schedule a test drive.